Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing one business-dedicated Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication so accounts stay secure. Once done, add your Exchange or Google accounts to Mail, Calendar, and Contacts to centralize communication. Make sure iCloud Drive and Keychain are on for seamless document and credential syncing. Backups are critical. Turn on iCloud Backup and reduce auto-lock to shorten exposure. These steps let you move fast into productivity without risking data or time. Now configure the apps and workflows you actually use. Install Teams, Slack, Zoom, and your Office suite and limit permissions to what's necessary for privacy. Next, set up focus modes tied to your work hours so notifications only interrupt for priority contacts or apps. Once your apps are installed, optimize the home screen. Place essential apps in the dock, create folders for categories, and add calendar and task widgets so your day is visible at a glance. Finish by locking down security and adding automation. Enroll the iPhone in MDM or create shortcuts for routine tasks like logging work hours and toggling VPN. Use Face ID, enforce device encryption, and ensure Remote Wipe is enabled so lost devices are safe. Register the phone in your asset inventory and document configurations. If something breaks, restart the phone, confirm the latest iOS update, and reset network settings. Only use Factory Restore as a last resort after backups are verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.